I was very fortunate to have a great support around me as we opened the year with a difficult real estate market. Most of the headlines came from local news sources who seemed determined to focus on high prices, medium sale prices around $300,000, affordability issues, 30-year mortgage was around 10%, and legal challenges to the way we served our customers and clients. As for me, I was blessed with strong support from a great team. My immediate past president was Paula Savard, who won the MLS fight that began in her term, winning a precedent-setting lawsuit that would have changed the way MLS was conducted. My executive officer was Milt Shaw, a nationally recognized leader who was retiring at the end of my year. Milt knew everyone and everything, and I had a great executive committee who worked as a team from day one. Many of those voices are silent now, but others are still active in the business, and I thank them all. At the beginning of the year, we chose a slogan that drew attention to our concern about home ownership. We mean business with everyone. And to that end, Milt Shaw told me that I would be most effective if I got out of my office and talked to folks across the state. Or perhaps he just said get out of his office. I'm a little unclear. But the message was the same. The best way to draw attention to the issues before the members was to get out on the road and talk to people. So I salute MAR and its 100th anniversary, its leaders and members. Congratulations to you all.